In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text in Clipchamp, and I promise you it's as simple as it sounds. Let's dive right in and explore how to make your text stand out with a twist. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to clipchamp.com. Once you're there, if you've already got an account, click on Sign In, located at the top right corner of the page. Clipchamp offers a few different ways to sign in, but today we'll be using the Microsoft option. Click on Continue with Microsoft, and if prompted, select your Microsoft account. This seamless integration makes it easy if you're already using other Microsoft services. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the Clipchamp homepage. This is where the magic happens. Look for the button that says Create a New Video. This is where you can start crafting your unique content. Once you've clicked it, you'll be given an option to import media. This means any videos, images, or audio files you have ready on your device can be uploaded to your new project in Clipchamp. Next, you'll want to get your media onto the timeline. This is simply done by dragging and dropping your files into the timeline area. Don't worry, Clipchamp's interface is very user-friendly and intuitive, so you'll get the hang of it in no time. With your media in place, it's time to add some text. Click on Text in the editor interface to access various text styles. Explore the options and select a style that complements your video. Once you've chosen, drag and drop the text onto the timeline, just like we did with the media. This will allow you to position it exactly where you want it to appear in your video. Now let's focus on rotating the text, the real centerpiece of today's tutorial. Click on the text block you added to the timeline. This will highlight the text and open up editing options. If you don't see all the options immediately, look for the three dots, also known as the More menu, and click on it to reveal additional settings. Here comes the exciting part. Among your options you'll see Rotate by 90 deg. Clicking this will rotate your selected text by 90 degrees in an instant. It's as easy as that. Feel free to play around and see how it transforms your video's aesthetic. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to rotate text in Clipchamp, adding a new dimension to your video projects. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks in the world of